The purchase order maintenance transaction uses an optimized grid display to quickly and easily create and maintain purchase orders. Customization allows for columns to be changed, rearranged, or even add or remove columns where needed, and edit discounts or rates. Crawford Connect's functionality includes the ability to save a PO in draft form and come back, make changes, and complete it at a later time. Additional features include the support of one supplier, pay to, and multiple ship from locations, as well as bracket pricing. The PO maintenance transaction supports tracking and monitoring of supplier acknowledgments and confirmations. Maximize your ERP solution with Crawford Connect by Crawford Software. Call 603-537-9630 or visit our website for more information.